Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day, everyone. My name is Siyasanga Zwakala. I'm the founder of Amahomba Entertainment, Pty Ltd, and Singalaka Models, South Africa. Today was a very amazing day because I got the opportunity to pitch my business, which is for funding. I think it's a grand prize of 50,000 rands. My experience was I was very nervous because there are so many great people, but I believe that I'm great myself and I deserve the opportunity. And I would like to say thank you to Nedbank and T and all the sponsors who helped to put this event together so that we as upcoming entrepreneurs can get the opportunity to showcase our talents and receive the funding. Thank you so much. Hi, I'm Siyasanga Zwakala. I am a township entrepreneur.